So what's going on? Grant wants to say hi.
Hi.
So this video is about the Graco QuickShot. I love this spray gun. Mine has been out of commission for probably about a month now. And it's because the pump stops working. So everything else, I'm about to show y'all how to change the pump. It's not clean the pump, we're changing the pump.
Okay.
So this right here is the new pump. It comes with a pump holder. This is the cup holder, and then the pump right here, so it sits right in there. So I need to remove all this stuff. Only thing you need to remove is a drill. So take out the one, drill the screw. Bam. So that's one screw out. Now you gotta take all these out. So, bam. You're able to see, pull this up. And here is your pump body. We're gonna remove this ground. Right? And then this harness we're gonna have to remove. And then I'm gonna get some pliers to remove this. A 19 millimeter and a 15. And you put them on here, and you kind of spin them the opposite way. There we go, so now that's loose. Right, so this is the old pump housing. Right, we're gonna take this cup, we're gonna keep this cup, right? This is what we're replacing. Hand tightening it at first. Right. I'm gonna come through with the 19 millimeters and the 15. Bam. Tight is tight, too tight is broke.
Daddy, can I get this one? Like this big old piece?
That's what you want to do, buddy.
Sure.
Yeah, you want to play with it? Yeah. You connect the harness back. All right. So I'm using pump armor as a way to test the spray and make sure it sprays. I attached this is a 308 tip, and now I'm just testing it to make sure everything is working, the pump is working, spray gun is working, it's ready for some paint in a way. Ooh, that's strong. It's ready for some paint and it's ready to start spraying. This Graco gun is amazing, but it's very, I would say, fragile. You have to take good care of it or it's not gonna work, and then you're gonna be investing in a new pump or a new gun or things like that. So make sure when you use it, you clean it right, and you store it right. Make sure you store it with some pump armor in it. That helps keep the pump and stuff working, especially if you don't plan on using it for a while. The pump armor definitely helps.
Look the better.